Same day funding for small businesses up to $25,000, immediate approval and offer. Same or next day funding. I already said it before noon, it's same day. Easy breezy, 100% online process. Let's look at business capital. First of all, why are we there? Banks exist, but they only help about 20% of the businesses. 80% cannot get approved at their local bank. They need collateral, credit, etc. So what do? Well, they don't have a choice, right? They borrow friends, family, right? Or they put up a home loan, or they just don't make it. 8 out of 10 businesses, 6 out of 10 are breaking even or losing money. And 8 out of 10, almost 8 out of 10 are going to fail in the first 10 years, with half failing in the first few years. Number one reason for failure, lack of working capital. So what if we could help them? And we can. We have a funding solution for the 80% who can't get approved. In fact, a funding solution where not only can they get approved, they can get instant approval and funding same day up to $25K. Name of our new funding product, Bank Breezy. Why? Because it's a breeze. It's simple and fast. It's easier to get approved than any other company, and it's simple and fast. You get an answer right now on your phone. There's no documents. It's all electronic. It literally takes 5 minutes. I'm going to show you the process in a second. And they get the offer, they accept it, and it's done. The money's in their bank that day if it's done by noon. If it's done afternoon, it's in their bank the next day. That's called a breeze. Bank Breezy. That's our brand. What I just shared with you has never existed before. Bank Breezy is the first company to go into the space that we're in and go direct to consumer with same day instant funding for business owners. All online, instant funding, or next day funding, but all done online. It's an online immediate approval. There's no hard credit inquiries. It's a soft credit pull. They receive funds same or next day. They get up to $25K today, transparent terms. They see it right there. And industry leading easy pay discounts, as I said. As they're paying this back, they can draw more funds. So it almost becomes like a line of credit. It's not, but it's like that because they can get more. I think we had 5 clients today get more, or 5 clients this week got more funds who just got capital from us, in the last couple of weeks. Personalized account manager for every account. So you'll be talking to someone. It's not like you're calling into a hold queue. So if you need more money, you got someone at the bank who's been dealing with you. All right. Bank Breezy, baby. You don't need to worry about the red tape. There isn't any. It's a blue speedway right into a breezy way. And large discounts, massive discounts if you pay it off early. Almost 30% of the interest you get early. You don't pay a penalty for paying off early. You pay a lot less for paying it off early. All right, Bank Breezy. This is what the main website looks like. And then, of course, there's a mobile version as well. And we're going to show you all about this in a minute. This is what it looks like. So they go to Bank Breezy. They go to this site. And when they go there, they click on get up to $25K today or get funded now. And they go to this site. This is our partner. Biddy Advance is owned by one of the leaders in this small business funding space. We partnered up where we can bring this product to the marketplace with technology behind it, financial technology. We're the only ones they're doing it with, but they've helped thousands of clients. In fact, tens of thousands over the last 10 years. The client just simply fills out this information here. A little bit about their company. They get an offer right then, an approval told them right then. Then all they got to do, if they like the terms of the offer, they click on accept. Then they enter a little more about the business. As they enter a little bit more about the business, then they go to link up their bank account. They just verify the revenue that they said they're doing. As long as their bank can show they're doing the revenue they said they're doing, that offer that was presented on the last screen will be here. Here it's modified. It went down a little because their sales were a little bit lower. So they can get 15 grand, pay back 22.3. If they pay it back within 30 days, it'll only be about 17 or 18,000 they'll pay back. So much better if they pay it off early. And they proceed if they want to. If they want it, they say yes, they proceed. Then they fill out the owner information. They upload their driver's license, avoided check, and done. They get the documents to e-sign. They sign them. The funds are wired. Now, periodically, there will be a reason they have to send them a document to sign because maybe they've got a couple loans already or a bankruptcy or different things, but they only need a 450 credit score. 450 credit score. The credit really doesn't stop them, but sometimes there's things that takes this online process to offline, but then it only takes about an hour or two to get it funded. It's not like it's okay for 3 days. That equals a happy customer. What about the ones who want more than 25K? We have them covered too. Now, Bank Breezy's for instant approval under 25K. If someone needs over 25K, now we've got our website where you send them to your website, and at the bottom of Bank Breezy's site, there's a little link that says, want more than 25? Click here. All it does is takes them to our other site for the larger funding. They can click watch a video on how it works, but they click get qualified. They're going to fill out an online application. They're going to then be directed to our internal team who sends them a document to sign. It's the application. They sign the application. From there, we find the best offer for them. Now, we've got over 30 providers. So this is a manual process. Above 25K is not a simple instant, boom, it's done. It takes about a half a day. We go find the best offer from those many dozen or more than a dozen providers. We get the best offer. We go back to them. And the reason I say more than a dozen, we've got contracts with over 100. But our internal team knows which ones to send packages to. You know, if you want to fly to Alaska, you're not looking at, you know, some airline that doesn't fly there. You know which airlines fly there. So same thing with us. We know which providers like to help construction companies and which ones don't, and which ones want to help restaurants, which ones don't. So which one helps people with that credit score or that revenue amount. So our internal team goes out, gets the best offer from all those, presents it to your client. They like it. We send them an electronic document to sign. They sign it. The funds are wired. This usually takes 2 or 3 days. So who's David Allen Capital? Number one, David Allen Capital is a Michigan-based company. I'm in Michigan right now. My name is David Rutz. I started the company. My middle name happens to be Allen. I wanted to help business owners. I've been one my entire adult life. Even as an adolescent, I was starting businesses. And working capital is the hardest thing for businesses. Business owners are the front line of capitalism. I wanted to help them. I wanted to get them access to capital when the banks won't. We're one of the largest marketers of business capital and business services in North America. DAC has been profitable every year, and we were profitable again last year. And helping the business, again.
Please click on the link in the description for more information or to apply now. Note, the statements in the video that say we are the only company to offer the instant online approvals and therefore maybe the fastest, easiest process is accurate as of the upload date of the video in May 2021. We do anticipate that probably it's likely other companies may someday also offer the instant online approvals, and at that time, should that be the case, this statement of ours that we are the only company doing so would no longer be accurate. But still, we would have been the first company to offer it online, and we were constantly refining our process to make it better. So please do your due diligence. Thank you.